If this falls, my life is over. This goes in the trash. We're getting fancy. Don't ask what you guys are on. I'm so scared my dog is just gonna knock this over. Today we're making a cake. I'm so bad at cooking. Hold on. Look at all our bread. Today we're gonna be making the perfectly moist strawberry supreme cake. All right, boys and gals. Anyone in my family came in right now, they'd be like, spice it up a bit. So the first thing, as always, you take it out of the freaking box. I'm not gonna tell you how to make this cake. It's pretty self-explanatory. I feel like this will be a good cake. I need 1 cup of water. Okay. Oh, I need to preheat the oven. Duh. This more. Beautiful. Yummy. 3 large eggs. Now we need 1/3 cup of, yep. Let's do this together. Beautiful. So like, are you guys gonna like come for me on like how I make this? Because like I'm literally just reading the instructions. You know, like, don't come for me. I love that like no one watches my videos. And I'm perfectly fine with it. Like, I'm not like saying that to be a bitch. But it's just like, what if one day I do become famous and then everyone starts watching this video? I'm gonna be hella embarrassed. Oh well. This is the best spatula, and you can't tell me otherwise. Just like perfectly, wow. You saw that? Let's do it again. Gosh. Powerful. I'm not sure if I am supposed to spray it, but I sprayed it anyways. 24 to 29 minutes. Okay. Okay. Sarah, you're just gonna have to zoom in. Alrighty. I was gonna do a nighttime routine and then I filmed it. And then I realized how boring my life is. So, there's that. Yeah. I'll see you guys in like 25 minutes. Let's hope it doesn't burn. Alright, you sons of... This is the angle you're gonna have to have. Okay, well, can y'all see that? No, you can't. I'm gonna put it on broil for the top. I love that you love that for me. So the top of it can be cooked. The bottom of it is cooked. And the sides are cooked, but the middle's not cooked. I don't know why this stuff keeps happening to me, but every time I try to make a cake, that happens. And it's so annoying. I'll see you when this is done. I'm so mad. It literally goes downhill from here. This next clip, it's me literally flipping out. So, this is a little breather. Can we just take a few seconds? All right. What am I doing wrong? Okay. I'm gonna come back when it's cool. And we're just gonna put some frosting over it. Yeah. Welcome back. It's cooled down. She's really not doing well. Here she is. We got some strawberry, yeah, this. Betty Crocker. Do you guys want to see me do this? I feel like you don't, but you're going to anyways. Beautiful. When somebody everything was beautiful. It tastes like ass. Okay. I'm glad you guys came with me on this journey to make a cake. Clearly, I cannot cook. I cannot bake. I literally just can't. I'm not physically capable of making anything. Okay. Bye, you guys. Thank you for watching this video if you did watch it all the way through. I'm so sorry. If this is the first video of mine you are watching, I'm so sorry.